Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how I make Carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange Blackberry Hibiscus. First thing you gotta do is you get the scissors, you open up the packet of the Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange mix and you pour it into this glass. And then you get the water from the kettle, and last but not least, you open up this can of Blackberry Hibiscus sparkling water and you pour it into this glass. Yum. Tastes pretty good. And then you fill in the rest of the water a little bit. And here you go. Here is your Carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange Blackberry Hibiscus. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.